Previously on Aquanauts. Together, we have cleaned this aquarium filled with dirt, calcium buildup, and watermarks with our trusty helpful cleaner bar keepers, vinegar, scrubber, and scraper. Now, our aquarium is good as new, with almost no trace of its former filthy look. If you are new to this channel and curious on how we have cleaned this aquarium, you can watch our first episode for helpful tips and tricks on how we did it. I have added the link here. Once you are done watching, go back to this video for our episode 2. Let's go! Could you be the one? Ferrer Sibs Vlogs presents AQUANAUTS. Hi guys, welcome to your channel, and for today's video, we will be unboxing our external filter from bettamanila, and we will be showing you how we have set it up in our aquarium. If you wish to visit their shop for your aquarium and fish needs, I will put their shop link in the description box. This video is the continuation of our first episode and journey of having an awe-inspiring aquarium for our fishes. Heard what I did there? Haha. Since I'm a patron of cashbacks and I love discounts, I have bought this external filter during 11/11, and I think this is the cheapest of the filters I found for the same dimensions and model for only 1,000 pesos that already comes with the accessories and water pump. I also bought an air pump to keep our fish oxygenated, an air hose, a small fish net for cleaning floating debris and dirt, and also a thermometer sticker for checking the water temperature in our aquarium. I really like how bettamanila put so much bubble wrap in the package to ensure that there is minimal damage to the box and items, though it is really hard to remove. This is the Sunsun External Filter model HW602B with specifications of power consumption of 6 watts, voltage is 220 volts, water output is 400 liters per hour. Okay, let's check what's inside. The box comes with the external filter canister with the built-in pump. Inside this box, you will see the water inlet and outlet, first water hose, the switch valve, the second water hose, and a manual. Let's put that back first for our installation later. The canister filter comes with a large coarse foam, medium coarse foam, fine coarse foam, and a biofilter foam. If you are thinking why there are levels of foams in a canister, this is to ensure that the first or large foam will filter out the big chunks of dirt. As the water passes through the medium foam, it will filter again, and the water will pass through the fine foam, which traps smaller dirt, and the biofilter to ensure that no dirt will go back to the aquarium. The canister also has a tight seal to ensure that there will be no water leaks. Now, we will fill the aquarium with water and use pebble for the aquarium design. Once the water is filled up, we will then put the pebbles. We have not washed the pebble with tap water to ensure that if there would be a colony of bacteria living there, we will not kill them. Now, we use white background in aquarium because we do not want to put a sticker background. Definitely not for our fishes. Disclaimer, this is just our preference for the aquarium, and we do not want to offend our friends who use sticker backgrounds. Let's put the pebbles in. You will see that the water will be foggy, but once our filter is set up and everything settles in with the help of gravity, the water will be clear. Please excuse us if we do not have shirts on, as it is really hot working in our storage area. For our filter installation, get all the items out of the box. Let's start with the water output. First, get this little U or N-shaped tube. Next, connect the elbow tube in the first tube that we have, like this. For the water output, the filter has two options. You can use the water fountain or the water sprinkler tube. For our aquarium, I prefer to use the sprinkler tube as it covers more area that will help the aquarium oxygenated. The suction and the clamp is a bit hard to put, but it is okay to ensure that the suction will not be easily removed from the clamp in the event that the fishes bump it. Next is our water inlet. Get all the needed items or parts and follow what I will do for the correct installation. Get the U-shaped tube. Next is ensure that the end of this tube with the narrower part is on the bottom part. Get the same tube and attach. Now, get the end filter. This filter is to ensure that no small fishes will be sucked up by the external filter. Put the suction clamps in the same place and we are done. Next, get your water outlet and hose. Make sure that you put the tightener first before attaching the hose. The tightener will ensure that the hose will not be disconnected from your outlet. Do the same in your water inlet. Next, get your external canister and water valve. Ensure that it is attached correctly to prevent damage on the canister and avoid water leaks. Now, I will show you how the canister is set up in our aquarium. Before starting the external canister, make sure that there is about 3/4 water added in the canister. Without water inside, it will not be able to suck the water from the aquarium. Now, this is our final external filter setup. I'm now excited to add the fishes in their new clean tank. Let them swim! are in! Hope they like their new clean aquarium! Look at how excited they are! It's really good to see that, right? It is really relaxing seeing them swim in this tank. Do you feel relaxed while staring at them? They're like a stress reliever. After coming back from work, staring at them, heaven, right? If you are thinking about what happened to our storage area in the first episode, here it is now. This will be our fish room too. Look at them swim there. If you find this video fun and helpful, please hit that like button, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Smash that notification bell too so that you will be notified of our next videos. Don't forget to love our pets. Until our next video, bye!